What particularly attracted you to the laundry business?
I think it's something everybody needs. I mean, everybody needs maybe not a laundromat, but you need to wash your clothes. It's a good, stable business model. And a lot of times, and I don't want to call laundromats like not sexy, but I know to a lot of people, being like a tech entrepreneur and you're interviewed on CNBC, oh, that's cool. Owning like an unsexy business, garbage collection, landscaping, laundry mats, I mean, you're not going to have like groupies, but it's a good business. People need it all the time. They need it, you got to collect the garbage every week. Every summer there's 10,000 landscapers out there. So it might
Hmm.
not be glamorous and land you on the cover of Forbes, but it's a good business that everyone needs.
Right, right. So you made that decision to get into it. How did you eventually get involved in the industry, and who helped you along the way?
I didn't really have any help along the way, but I did try to get as much information as I possibly could from any source that I could. The way that I found my location, I started like many people. You go online and you look for laundromats for sale. The problem that I had was, unfortunately, and hopefully there's no brokers watching this, but I didn't have much success dealing with like the brokers. They wouldn't get back to you. The information was extremely limited at best. Most of them didn't really know about. I knew more about laundromats than they did, just from doing the research. So at one point, I was very discouraged, and I thought, I don't know, this probably isn't going to happen. And I don't know who suggested it. I'll give the credit to my wife, but I don't really remember. They're like, why don't you just send out a letter? You know, just saying like, you're interested in buying a laundromat. So I Googled laundromats like in a 10-mile radius of my house. And I literally sent out like a one paragraph. I didn't know the people's names. I just sent it attention owner. I'm looking to get into the business. If you're interested in selling or you know somebody, give me a call. And to my surprise, I had like four places call. One
Wow.
wanted too much money. One couldn't pull the trigger. And one I eventually wound up buying.
Hmm. Hmm. It worked out.
Yeah.